Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first time, let us say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given health and safety graces for all of us. And then, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilufar Azmi. You can call me Nilufar. I am 19 years old. I come from Sumeneb, Madura. My hobby is traveling and cooking. Now I will talk about my summary. Environmental problem and their causes. Environmental problem are increasingly becoming public awareness. This is evidenced by the increasing number of public discussion about this. Countries are also increasing active in making agreement and regulation between countries to overcome various exciting problems. However, what are the environmental problems that we face today? Environmental problem and their causes. The following are environmental problem in Indonesia and the world and their causes. If solution to this environmental problem are not found, then the sustainability of human life on Earth will be worrying. This is because nature is a source of fulfilling all the needs of human life, namely providing air, water, food, medicine, aesthetic, and other. Damage to nature means the same as the carrying captivity of human life. The environmental problem and the cause we face today are completely as follows. Air pollution. The first environmental problem is pollution or environmental pollution. Pollution of air, water, and soil take millions of years to return to normal. The industrial sector and motor vehicle farms are the main source of pollution. Heavy metal, nitrates, and toxic plastic are responsible for a variety of exciting pollution. While water pollution is caused by oil spill, acid rain, urban runoff, on the other hand, air pollution is caused by various gases and toxins released by industry and factors as well as residues from burning fossil fuels. Soil pollution is mainly caused by industrial waste which destroy nutrient and nutrient in the soil that are important for plants. Climate change or global warming. Climate change such as global warming is the result of human practice such as emission of greenhouse gases. Global warming causes the temperature of the ocean and the earth surface to increase, causing the melting of polar ice caps and rising sea level. It also alters natural pattern of season and rainfall, such as flash flood, extreme snow, or desertification as a result of the weather change. Agricultural production often experience crop failures and increases the chance of forest fires due to the prolonged dry season. Population. Overpopulation. The plant population is reaching unsustainable level as it fakes a shortage of resources such as water, fuel, and food. Population explosion in developed and developing countries that continues to cause research intensive agriculture which aims to increase food production by using pesticide actually creates new problem. The damage is in the form of decreasing soil quality and human health. Waste disposal. The next environmental problem is water disposal. This is especially plastic waste and urban waste such as in the Ciliwung River in Jakarta or cities in Indonesia. In addition to household waste from the industrial sector, which is often dumped into river, also cause fish to die and destroys river ecosystem. In fact, these rivers are important for the community economy and are important for supplying for search for the community. Disposal of this waste will eventually cause marine pollution in Indonesia and damage marine ecosystem, a sort of suicide. The effect of air pollution include motor vehicle famous. According to research, the use of motorized vehicles increasing over time, causing congestion on the highway. Excessive motorized vehicles will have an impact on the excess use of fuel so that there will be more CO or carbon dioxide gas and in the air. And then power plants. Some power plants still use fuels that are less environmentally friendly. Some exclaims such as coal, gas, and oil. The effect of an incomplete combustion of fuel is that it produces harmful gases that cause air pollution. And then garbage pile. Garbage that accumulates will cause odor and cause air pollution. This is due to the processing of waste that is not fast enough and is not handled properly. And then there are 5 layers of the atmosphere that surround the Earth, namely the troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, or ionosphere, and then exosphere. The atmosphere consists of 4 layers that different terms of temperature and air pressure due to difference in the absorption of solar energy. Layers that are important to human and vulnerable to change due to human activity are the troposphere and troposphere. And then troposphere, human in the and then troposphere are still able to breathe. So it's not surprising that we see mountain climbers can still survive in this layer. However, it can cause fatigue and cold sweat. Natural phenomena such as change in weather and climate occur in this layer. The troposphere layer contains 2 chemical compounds, namely carbon dioxide and water vapor, these 2 compounds being the most commonly found compared to other layers. And then troposphere, the layer that is cold and occupied only by ozone. The troposphere layer serves as a protector from ultraviolet radiation, waves which are very dangerous when exposed to human skin. The ozone layer will be depleted if activity in the world do a lot of damage, such as massive tree cutting. The atmosphere is the envelope of air that covers the Earth. The atmosphere protects the inhabitant of the Earth from celestial body. Maintains the temperature of the Earth's surface and as a place to regulate the weather. Thus, the atmosphere maintains the life of living things on Earth. Earth's atmosphere has several layers. The boundaries between layers in the atmosphere are not clear. Certain gases in the atmosphere can cause air pollution. For example, in cities, a gas called ozone is major cause of air pollution. Ozone is also a greenhouse gas that can be both good and bad for our environment. It all depends where it is in Earth atmosphere. How does air pollution affect our health? Breathing and polluted air can be very bad for our health. Long-term exposure to air pollution has been associated with diseases of the heart and lungs, cancer, and other health problems. That's why it's important for us to monitor air pollution. And then the atmosphere will change the climate, and the climate will change the ecosystem. The greenhouse effect is a term used to describe the Earth. Greenhouse effect where the sun heat is trapped by the Earth's atmosphere. The cause of the hole in the ozone layer is man-made because the ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun and protect the Earth from that radiation. Therefore, without the ozone layer, more UV radiation penetrates the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. The following is the result of my summary. Thank you very much for your great attention. If there is a wrong word, please forgive me. And if you have any question, please comment in the comment column. Okay, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.